We've got exciting news. It's Dr. Laura Justice and Dr. Tristan Thompson at Justice Dental, where we help you achieve a beautiful and healthy smile that says wow.
We understand it's been a crazy year, and that's okay if you haven't made it into one of our offices. That's why we're running this awesome promotion.
The promotion is, and we're really excited because it's one of the biggest ones we've ever done, and we're going to do something because we know the struggles that we've all had this year. We're going to do something by supporting local businesses in our community. So we're going to give a $1,000 giveaway that's going to be used at our local businesses. You get to select the business, whether it be a restaurant, a small boutique, whatever the business, you choose your gift. We'll buy the gift cards and you get to use that. It helps support our local businesses, and it also is going to help you achieve a beautiful and healthy smile.
And so the way you would get entered into this drawing is by coming into one of our offices for a new patient exam, or if you're a current patient, by referring one of your great family or friends to come see us.
By doing that, your name goes into the drawing, and we'll do the drawing on December 1st. We're so excited to actually be able to help the community and also to help you.
Great. So between now and December 1st, all you have to do is click the link below, contact one of our offices to schedule your appointment. You get to take care of your mouth, get that beautiful, healthy smile, and also support our local businesses at the same time.
When you come to Justice Dental, we want to treat you like family.